ready to supercharge your Liondesk and get your team working in perfect harmony. Alright team, let's dive in. First, log into your Liondesk account and locate this gear icon, your settings area, generally found here. Click it. Within settings, you'll find a section titled users. This is where the magic happens. Click it. Now, to add a new team member, hit this prominent button labeled Add User. You should now be seeing the page where all the user specifics are going to be added. Here, you'll fill out the new user's information. This includes their name, email address, and of course, a temporary password that they can change later. Make sure you have their direct contact information when going through this step. Next, it's time to assign a role. Click on the drop-down list to select the user's function. Roles often determine access to features, like if a team member has access to their account. This is where user-specific permission settings are set depending on the role. You can now finely tune these permissions, enable or disable access to contacts, deals, or other areas. These are crucial to control the user's direct interaction with the Liondesk features. After you have filled out the user's details, selected the role, and handled those permissions, make sure to click the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the page. Congratulations, the new user is now added, and you can repeat this process for all your team members. Remember that properly setting up your users ensures streamlined collaboration and efficient CRM use. Now go forth and build a winning team.